Welcome Aries to your July reading. We are going to go ahead and see the possible energies and messages coming through for you for this month. Aries, I'm starting off with your oracle cards. This is going to give us the core themes for the month. I will then go ahead and clarify everything further with the tarot to get deeper insight and deeper messages. Aries, this is a collective reading, so take what resonates and leave the rest. Your first core message is number 28, Building Blocks, which speaks to us of strong foundations and a beautiful work in progress. So let us go ahead and see what this is all about, and I will just get your clarifiers. So we want to see now what Building Blocks is all about for Aries, please. And we have Four of Swords, the Emperor, and the Three of Pentacles. Aries, this is going to be very exciting for you. What I am seeing here is that what you, my dear Aries, have been praying for, wishing for, when it comes to building something solid, a strong foundation in your life. Now, as you can imagine, this strong foundation is going to come through very differently for everybody. It could be, my dear Aries, that you want to move to a new home, somewhere where you can put down roots and really establish yourself. It could be that you're longing to find a job where you feel like, right, I can put in time and energy and I'm going to grow and expand and really do well here. As you can imagine, it could come through anywhere. What I am seeing is that there is somebody coming through this month presenting as the Emperor. Now this could be a masculine or feminine. It is the energy of the Emperor I am speaking about. Now this is a very strong, solid and powerful person. This could be a CEO of a company. This could be somebody who is very well established in the community, or just somebody that people respect and look up to. Now I see this person coming through, my dear Aries, and they are going to give you this opportunity of creating a solid foundation. This is what Three of Pentacles speaks to us of as well. So we're getting a wonderful confirmation of building something, but not something that's going to be here today, gone tomorrow. It's something, my dear Aries, that's going to be around for many years to come. The Emperor could be your significant other who asks you to move in with them and to create a home with them. This could be your boss giving you that promotion and that increase that you have been praying and wishing for. This could be, my dear Aries, that a close friend or family member comes in and says, come on Aries, let us start a company on the side, doing something we both love. Perhaps you both love hiking and you want to now create a company to take people on different hikes around the countryside on the weekend. Perhaps you both love baking and you want to start a service of providing cakes and baked goods for functions. Whatever it is, the Emperor's coming in and they are about to offer you something that you, my dear Aries, have been wishing and praying for. So when this opportunity and offer comes up, don't hesitate. You've called it in, my dear Aries. Now it's time for you to get going and build whatever this is. So please take this where it might resonate with you. Right, let's move on now and see what happiness is all about. And I'll just get your clarifiers. So we want to see now what happiness is for Aries, please. And we have Queen of Swords, the Star, and the Three of Wands. What a wonderful message coming through. Aries, you are presenting under this message as Queen of Swords. It does not matter if you're masculine or feminine. It is the energy of the Queen of Swords I'm speaking about. Now, Queen of Swords is my no-nonsense queen. This is the queen that looks at things exactly as they are, and she moves forward with determination. She's not a queen who is diplomatic or who minces her words. She says what she means, and she takes strong action. Now, with the Star coming through here, under happiness, my dearest Aries, this month something quite wonderful is about to come through for you, and it could very well have to do with building blocks, but it could come through in another area completely. Because we see here our second three. We had the Three of Pentacles over here, and now we've got the Three of Wands. So I do see something very connected to the number three. This could be that what is coming in with regards to these blessings touches three very definite areas of your life. Or this could be really the energy of three opportunities presenting themselves to you this month. Whatever it is, we do see that it brings in this wonderful energy of deep core happiness. This is a very auspicious card to get. And for many of you, because we do see many stars coming down here, I feel that there is this energy of an abundance of blessings. Now, what I like to see, my dear Aries, is that you are going to take this very seriously. This is not something that you're going to think to yourself, oh, it's just an illusion. I'm not even going to move on it. It's too good to be true. Things like this don't happen to me. Not at all. As Queen of Swords, you're going to look at these blessings and you're going to take them on board one by one. There is a great sense of appreciation of what is transpiring for you. That this month you will see whatever these three ships represent to you, whether there are three different opportunities or one opportunity that touches three areas of your life, you are already going to feel it, because I see you, Aries, looking on at what these are. Aries, the energy of what I'm seeing here for you is that this particular blessing could be that you find your dream job. And what we are seeing here is that you start this new job and you love this new job and you really feel like you're going to excel at it. The second ship could be that you're now earning decent money, so you are able to get out there, enjoy yourself, and really not have this worry of finances on your head. And the third ship could be that at this new job, you meet new friends and your social circle expands. This, my dear Aries, could be that you meet somebody new romantically, somebody you have been dreaming of and calling in. And so you will go from being single into the energy of being a couple. The second ship could be for you now, but you never wanted to travel alone, and now you have somebody to do it with. And the third ship could be that this particular person comes into your life and introduces you to their circle of friends, so your social circle widens and gets more exciting and fulfilling. Whatever this is for you, my dearest Aries, that smile is yours this month, and you're going to feel it from a wonderful deep soul perspective. Lovely to see, Aries. Now let us move on and see what number 23 is all about for you. That is sitting in round and round. So we want to see now what round and round is for Aries, please. And we will start over there. We have Two of Cups, the Nine of Pentacles, and the Ace of Wands. Now, Aries, when round and round comes in, it's a reminder that although it might appear to you that you've gone backwards in some area of your life. The truth is that you're actually standing at a higher level, looking down into your circumstances. You've already learned something about what this particular situation or relationship has had to teach you. And now, my dear Aries, in July, we see with Ace of Wands, you are ready to move on and make changes and adjustments. Now, I do feel for many of my Aries, this round and round energy is coming through in a particular relationship. So this is somebody already in your life. This could be your significant other, a friend, a family member. It could even be somebody in the workplace. But something that has been playing out for some time, and it's taken time for you to learn from it. But you have, my dear Aries. And what I am seeing is that in July, you get a wonderful energy of, okay, I've got it. This is what I needed to learn. This is what I needed to understand. Now, Aries, of course, this is going to be so different for everybody. Perhaps you and a friend have been at loggerheads. You just cannot agree on anything of late. And actually, when you go out with them, it has become quite unpleasant. No matter what you've tried and no matter what you've done, you seem to keep repeating this particular pattern with this friend. This month, you're going to get this energy of, okay, I understand. This is a childhood friend. Our lives are completely different. My thinking, my values, and my belief system is very different to this friend. It's just simply about time for us to move in different directions. This could be your significant other, and same sort of thing. There's some kind of pattern that has been repeating itself over and over again. Perhaps they are doing something that really annoys you, and the more you tell them that it annoys you, the more they do it. So you have to get to the core of what is going on. With Ace of Wands here, my dear Aries, you're going to figure it out. It could be that your significant other is actually hurt and upset about something you did months ago. And instead of being honest and letting you know, I am actually just hurt, that's why I'm acting out, they act out by staying out late or not being there for you when you need them. And this month, something happens and you get it and you understand, oh gosh, they're actually hurt. And so you sit down with them, you sort everything out, and you find your way back to each other. What I am seeing with Nine of Pentacles is that you take control of this situation. You understand exactly the dynamics between you and this person, and whether you have to have a conversation, or whether you have to put some space between you, or whether you're able to sort it out immediately. You do it, my dear Aries, and you bring yourself into the energy of Nine of Pentacles, which is an abundant energy. So it tells me that you release this energy of this round and round and round, this repetition, and you're now free to be you. You're able to concentrate on all the good and wonderful things that we see happening for you this month. And I do feel for many of my Aries, this Nine of Pentacles now represents not only your freedom to focus on your abundance and your prosperity, but it's very connected to this building blocks energy, building something solid that's going to be around for many years to come, and our happiness and blessings energy. This is going to be an incredibly good and interesting month for you. So that is all I have for you right now. I hope you enjoyed your reading. I wish you the most wonderful month, and I am sending you all so much love.